chicken butt.
That may be stupid.
Hey, Miles. Miles.
Let's go play a rated T for teen game. Yeah,
Okay.
nah.
You're such a weirdo.
Don't make me stop. He's so bright looking. No. He's not paying attention.
Miles is being such a chicken butt. Weird woman. Weird
Miles, Transformers is a stupid movie, yeah?
No?
It's a stupid movie, yeah?
Stupid no.
It's a boring movie, yeah?
No?
It's boring, yeah?
It's terrible.
Okay, stop. Now. Someone's gonna break something or get hurt. Sit down nice.
Can you please stop doing that? Do it again.